Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about modeling. But before we get started, let's take a look at this. We all know this guy, so in this video he was talking about how tough modeling is for him, and he challenged himself, pick up some items, model them realistically, if that's a word. So if you've not seen this video, go check it out. This is his YouTube channel, Punisher. I used to watch a video when it was with Corridor Crew. I love him so much. I love Corridor Crew. I love everybody there, and I love what he's doing. So go check out this video if you've not seen it. If you look at my previous video, you know I suck at modeling, but I love challenging myself every day because I love modeling and I want to get better at it. So he modeled these 4 items here: the fountain pen, pocket knife, the bottle, water bottle, and I've forgotten the of this. So I'll be modeling all of these items, but this video will be divided into 2. First I'll model the bottle, then the fountain pen, and then in our next video we'll model the pocket knife and this right here. One of the things we spoke about, which obviously for you to get good renders or good modeling, you need to have your reference. Very important. So I've gotten my reference for my bottle right here. So this will be my reference, and this video will be focusing only on modeling. We won't be adding textures or anything. I'll do that and I'll post it on my Instagram, so if you want to see it, you can go check it out on my Instagram. That's my Instagram handle right there, and it's also in the description below. So let's get started. Now that I have my reference here in the front view, I'll go to configure, back, and I'll reduce the opacity so I can see what I'll be doing. Okay, so every time you want to model, just take an object or a primitive that is very close to what you want to model, that is very similar. So in this case, we'll be using cylinder, right? Yeah, so just take it to this side so that like I said, this video will be focusing only on modeling. So let's zoom in. We have to scale this a little bit, right? Yeah. So as I mentioned in my previous video, whenever we want to model something that's round, cylindrical, if that's a word, for the rotation segment, always use 8, because every time you model, you always add your subdivision surface, and if you use 8 here, it will give you a perfect circle. Here I'll use 1. That always depends on what you're doing or what you want. 1 always work for me in this case. At the end of the day, we'll end up adding some edges. I love adding them myself instead of having them from here. So we have this, then we turn this into an editable object so that you can manipulate the points, edges, and polygons. So let's go to point mode. We don't need the cap, so let's delete the one at the bottom. Also click delete. Yeah, so if I should put this into a subdivision surface, you can see we have a perfect circle. Okay, so now we have to manipulate this. Okay, first of all, let's add some edges. Right click, loop cut, loop/path cut. So we add somewhere here, and maybe here, right? Okay, so then E to go back to your selection tool or move tool. Yeah, I use Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and also don't mind me if I misspell it. So by the way, I just press O. O is for rectangle selection, so to select all of these. Okay, let me just move to edge mode and then select this edge, and T to scale it down. We just have to try and match our reference. Scale it down. Okay, that's too much. So what I'm using here is O for rectangle selection to select everything I highlight. Okay, about that. And for this, and you can also double click on the edge, if you double click on it, it will select everything round. So T, scale it out about that. Yeah, then let's go down. T. All we have to do is to match our reference. I think we need another one here. So the shortcut for lookup is KL. So we have, okay, first of all, what I'll do is I'll slide this, right click, slide, and maybe slide it up. No, okay, let me just undo. Yeah, like guys, I suck at modeling. I also challenge myself to just do it better. So that's why this is not a tutorial. This is me trying to achieve it and show you how I achieve it so you can learn from it. I'm always concerned about you guys learning something. Yeah, so yeah, I'll move this up. Okay, let me just move this. No, that's too much. Up to this point, scale it down, then I'll press Ctrl to extrude it out, then I'll scale it down. Something like that. Is that too much? I'll move it up, then KL, I'll add another edge here so I can scale it out. T, then scale it out. We just have to try and match our reference. This. Let me add another one here. KL, something else here. Then T, scale it down. About that. This. Let me try and slide it down. Let's see what happens. Slide it up. Slide. Let's add one more edge here. About that. Then double click. Let's scale it out. Okay, it's not perfect here, but I think that looked good. So if you come to this view, you can see we have a good looking bot. What's happening here? Okay, I have to close it. For this, you can just okay, this is it here. Polygon hole, so just close it up. Yeah, I think that's not bad. So let's move here. Yeah. Something is going on down here. Okay, let me go to edge, click on the button. Let's see what happens if we dissolve this. Does it look better? Yeah, that looks better, but we need more edge there because if you look at our reference, it's a little bit sharp down there. Let me just bring the picture so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have a little bit of sharpness here, not very obvious though. So let's just add one more edge somewhere here. Then we go to edge mode, click on it. Let me just KL, let me add something around here, and then one more around here. Let's see. I think that's okay. That looks good, right? Okay, anything cylinder is like the simplest thing to model ever. Like very simple, very simple. Okay, this side is okay. It looks good. Let me see. Let's say our reference. Oh no, can I undo that? Okay, let me just go to view, configure, back, show picture. No. Okay, so you can see we have a little bit of sharp edge here, and ours is not that sharp, so let's add another edge there. Okay, let's go to this view and I click edge mode. I'll just add one more here. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. Looks smooth. Is this too much? Let's see. Let's dissolve this. I don't like the look. Double click, right click, dissolve. Let's see. Yeah, I think I love it better this way, right? Is it looking good? Yeah. Okay, so now we have to model this top part. Still the same method. So this side, let's match it. Let's match the height. Then scale it out about that. Yeah. Like I said here, we use 8. Nope. 8, and here I'll use 1. Okay, then make it editable. For this, instead of deleting the cap at the top here, what I'll do is I'll click on the point and then I'll use bevel. Is it bevel or extrude? No, not so. Bevel, where is it? Bevel, yeah. About that, yeah. Then on the bottom side, let me just click on it from here. I'll delete it. Yeah. Okay, so let's add a subdivision surface. Let's just name everything to keep it organized. I'll just name this bottle, right? And I'll name this bottle cap. Sorry, bottle cap. Yeah. Okay, so already without doing a lot, I think we just have to scale this. Okay, let me do this and then scale it out. Come back here, please. What's that? Why is that always happening? Scale it out. Let's add one more edge here, somewhere in the middle. And let's scale this in. Let's do this. Why is that happening? About that. Let me add another one here. Yeah, I think that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Okay, so for this side, I'll still cylinder. Where are you? Bring it. No, cylinder. Bring it up. I'll make this. No, not that. No. Yeah. Then let's zoom in. Scale it down. No. To the same size. should be reducing this. Yeah, something like that. Then I'll reduce this. Yeah, something like that. That looks good to me. So you know, the pro out there, they will always tell you to model things correctly because of one reason or the other. For me, as far as it looks good to the eye, I am fine. Should I connect these two? Should I connect them? You know, won't be seeing that side. So, you know, another thing is if you won't be seeing it like in the render, because at the end of the day we'll have it somewhere like this. I don't think there's any need to stress yourself adding unnecessary details. Yeah. So now let's work on this. Okay, for this I'll use, let's see if that'll work. Let's see, let me connect plus delete. Yeah, then I still need to extrude this. So I click extrude, create caps. Let me make this 5. Let's see, and apply. Okay, that's small. Yeah, I think about that is fine. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let me take away all this. So subdivision surface, put it in there, and that's what we have. So add some edges, just to have some say KL. I'll add something around here and here. Yeah, that looks good. And I'll add something here. Then I'll drag this, no, just this. I'll drag it down. Is that okay? Okay, let me just move this. No. Okay, let me move to this view. I'll drag this down, and then this and this, and get down to something like that. Right? Yeah, about that. Okay, so this, let me see this, this. Okay, so this and this, I'll connect plus delete. So what I'll do now, like he said in the video, don't waste your time modeling unnecessary details. Just symmetry, and then put this inside. You see, we have something going on here. We have to correct that. So let me come here to rotate. Yeah, this straight line. Drag it out. R. This line has to be straight, like straight. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but yeah, this is the level I am right now. It really get better. Let's see. It's actually looking good. It's not looking. Let me see. Can I fix that? I don't like what is there. Let me see. Edmund. Ever scale it down. Is that better? Yeah, there you go. So all you need do is add your materials, add your texture, do every necessary thing, and that's it. You know what, guys? I give up. Yeah, I give up. So behind the scene, I'll go and learn it, try to model it, and then I'll come back and show you guys. So thank you guys for watching. This was challenging, man. Ooh, I love modeling, but it's not easy, and I'll keep trying. For next week, we're supposed to model the other two objects that are remaining, but next week I'll dedicate my time to this. That's a challenge, so I have to go and work on it and make sure I know how to model this by this time next week. Ah, man. Alright, guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Just tell me something, suggestion, advice, request, anything. I am here. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.